What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize an image in your email with Pic Snippet. All right, welcome back. So if you've ever got an email before and it was really customized where like the image actually had like your name in it of some sort, that's probably being done with a app called Pic Snippet. Okay, now Pic Snippet is it's a paid software, but it's pretty unique. It's not super expensive. You can get the beginning plan somewhere around like $25 a month, and then there's another plan next level for more snippets for around $50 a month. That's the plan that I currently am enrolled in. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how this whole thing works, and it's really simple. So don't worry about the technical side here because it's not hard at all. The only thing that you might have a little issue with is with your the formatting in your email. You may have to ask a developer or a coder for a little piece of code so you make sure your picture lines up in your email. But that's it. It's very simple. It's not complex here at all. So let's get started. If by the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, bang the notifications bell. And if you like this content, like the video, we do show you how to do a lot of how-to things on this channel and make money online. And here we go. So here's the interior of Pic Snippet, Picsnippets.com. You can see here. And basically, you can see I've created, I have 4 different brands. So every time I have to do something, I have to do it times 4 because I have 4 different from emails and whatnot. So 4 different companies. So it's kind of annoying. If you notice here, the logo here, it's a different logo because it's a different company that I own. Okay. And here's another one that I did with, Bachelor Vegas, one of my companies. And then notice this friend here. This is what changes in the actual email. Okay, this is actually going to say like I'll send one to myself, and you'll see it says Brian. Okay, so let's go to the email system here. Here's my Keep account. This is a CRM that I use for email. This works with a number of different CRMs. I think it works with pretty much all CRMs. I know it connects the Pic Snippets connects via API because if you go here to generate the code and you click on like Infusionsoft, it actually asks you to connect to your Infusionsoft. And so it does somehow connect to the API of Infusionsoft, but there's a number of different platforms here. Okay, I know you can't see all these, but the main ones here: Mailchimp, Aweber. I don't see Constant Contact in here, but Fix Your Funnel, Maripost, Drip, Shopify emails here. Looks like Klaviyo's here. That's one of the main ones. I do use Klaviyo for my Shopify store. So I can use this in multiple different email systems. And I think you can put like a custom one here too. See here that says custom. So I think you can actually generate this without, I think if you have like SendGrid or you have Active Campaign, which is another one I use, it should work with that as well. All right, so let's go into my Keep account here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll show you what this looks like, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up. Okay, here's one that I set up last night, and I'm going to just email myself a sample. This was it's an intro email that I'm doing for Vegas VIP Services, which is one of my companies. All right, and then here's the email, and the email looks like this. Okay, so you're going to see here that image that you saw on the other one, the American. It says Baller Express. It looks like a black American Express card, and notice how here it says friend. So I'm going to send this. I'm going to do a test to myself, and this is going to be to one of my emails, brian@surrealnightlife.com. That's a test email. And you're going to see when I get the email here, it might take a second to come through, but I want to show you guys what this is, and then I'll backtrack and show you how to do it, which is, it's not hard at all. It's actually very easy. I set that whole, all those up, I set 4 and 4 up. The thing that took the most time is my designer had to like go in and edit the pictures a little bit. Okay, so it just came in, and this is what the email looks like now when someone gets it. Okay, notice how the American or the Baller Express card, the black card says Brian. Okay, so it's kind of cool. It's kind of faint, but it's unique. It's like different. Like not. I know for a fact no host companies out in Vegas are doing anything like going above and beyond and sending this. Okay, with like a customized bottle to service display for somebody. Okay, that's like above and beyond. Okay, it's something cool. And now, think how you could be creative and use that in your business. Okay, so let's backtrack and let me show you guys how to do this. And I'm going to go ahead and basically what you need here, this is going to be HTML code. Okay, so this is where we put the code, and now I had to add this width right here in to make it fit right. Okay, so that's the only thing I had to add from Pic Snippet. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this code so I don't mess it up later. I want to go in and put this back in, but I'm going to just put this in a notepad. Okay, so let's leave that there. All right, so let's go into Pic Snippet here, and basically the first thing you do, let's go back to the start, and it's real simple. You just click plus here, okay, and then plus is going to take you to create a Pic Snippet. You're basically going to just upload an image, okay, and then once you have an image, you're going to have a designer. You know, this wasn't this image didn't have this like beautiful white area. It had words here, so we took the words out and made this like a big white area. And then, okay, once you upload the picture, you want to, obviously want to name it, and then you're going to go here and generate the code, okay? Actually, not generate the code. You want to go back to add the snippet. So you got to add this like friend here, okay? This is going to be your dynamic. So this is where you add it, okay? And you see how it says edit me here? And what you do basically is you can adjust this like here, 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 okay? And so say you wanted to put this one here. And for this one here, I needed a little bit bigger, so you obviously go in and change the font. So maybe make it like 60, I think is what I went with the other one. And then you can, so there's the font, 60, and you can pick different fonts. There's different ones here. I use this permanent marker one, so notice how this matches this one now, okay? And then this is where you add the personalization. You want to get rid of this edit me here, and you obviously want to put this as name, or just NAME. I just use lowercase, it works fine. And see how that comes in there. And then if someone doesn't have a name in your email CRM, you want it to say friend, okay? And then you would just add this, you just want to add you just click basically save here, okay? And you click out of this, and then that's there. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this snippet because I don't want that. I already did that. Okay, but once you have the snippet in there, this is this snippet. You can see I have it set up as name and friend, 60 font, boom, it's all set up, ready to go. So, and then you just go here to generate code. Okay, and now notice that's what it's going to look like. And you just want to connect your platform here, and you click your value, put your first name, okay, and then this is a code, okay. Now here, we're going to go over here, we're going to copy this, we're going to go over to keep, and we're going to go into that email, okay, and this is where we paste that code. Now, you're going to see I have to add that width, okay, because when I place this in, this is, it doesn't look right, okay, obviously it's too big. I mean, I guess you could have it look like that, but it would look weird. So you want to go ahead and just take this like width, this little piece of code here. Good thing I have a developer on my team because I can never figure this out on my own. I don't know how to code. But he told me like, oh yeah, just type this in. And he knew right away. I mean, obviously that's what he does. And now look, boom. Just fits in there nice and perfect. That's easy, okay? So now let's go ahead and test this out. Brian at surrealchicago.com or Brian at surrealnightlife.com. Boom, let's test this out, send it. And if everything, we did everything right, I should get an email that says Brian here, okay? And it's just really nice, it's just a nice like addition above and beyond, for how long this just took me, which was a matter of a few minutes. I mean, like I said, I had my VA, she does Photoshop, she did the Photoshop work. But aside from that, it took me 5 minutes to set up, okay? And now I got this custom, cool looking thing here, and here we go. Okay, this is what it looks like. And it's just cool. I mean, it's just cool. It's just another level of putting customization into your craft. Okay, if you have a business, you have a Shopify store, you have a business, and you just want to stand out a little bit from the competition, this is one way you can stand out. Okay, this did not take a lot of time, but to the average person out there that doesn't know internet marketing like you and I do, that this is like, wow, this guy really is awesome. Look at how much he pays attention to detail. He's got a bottle service sign waiting there for me. So I guess the question for you guys is, which one do you like better? Do you like that one better for my email, or do you like this one better for the email? Now here it's a little bit harder to read. I'm going to guess most people probably won't even notice it. They may or may not. But this one, obviously, you can't miss. So, obviously I messed up here. I put the wrong brand here, but I'm not sticking with this one for right now. But you get the idea, okay? That's how you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my my original code back in here, and then we go ahead and just save it. And this works with any CRM, guys. You don't need to have Infusionsoft or Keep, whatever it's called nowadays. And But that's it. I mean, that's really how simple it is. And then you notice here, this thing's got like a little checker box. That means it needs to be published again. So we just go ahead and publish this, and then we're ready to go. Once we put our tag on the contact and they get the intro email, they're ready to go. Okay. So the question of the day is, go ahead and let me know if you like this one better or you like the Black American Express better. Leave me a comment below. And hopefully you guys got something out of today. That's Pic Snippet. I am not an affiliate with them. I don't know if they even have an affiliate program. Like I said, the pricing was around $25 a month, and you get 5 snippets. I went up to the one that pays $47 a month, and I get 15 snippets because I'm going to set up some more here. So I got the four set up for the 4 different companies, and my business partner and I are going to be using these. Hopefully you guys got something out of today. Make sure you like this video if you like the content. This was pretty cool. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.